If your marriage isn't as healthy as you would like it to be, well, don't lose heart, because Shilpa and Raj are going to help you get to the heart of the matter and put your best foot forward. If you haven't figured out what I'm talking about as yet, hopefully they'll throw some light on it.
What is the initiative, Cookie? You've by-hearted it.
Protect our
Cookie!
Yeah.
Come
That was
on.
on camera. On
Okay,
camera.
that was really manly.
Yeah.
To protect our heart, it's a pledge we've taken to walk 30 minutes a day, and we urge all couples on World Heart Day to take 30 minutes out with your partner. It's lovely.
Raj, the last time I met Shilpa, I have to say, because I met her on World Yoga Day, I think, or a little bit before that, and she was doing all these fancy moves, and she was like, you know what, Raj can't do any of them. All he can pretty much do is sleep. So now you have your chance for the comeback. Walking, he can do it.
You know, I have to take up for him, because he sent me an SMS 3 days ago, says, darling, I promise you I will start yoga on weekends with you.
On weekends, wise man.
On weekends, yeah.
It's just so difficult, you know. It's an art, and I think
art.
walking is so much easier. So,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah, he's
count me in
he's
for the
all
walking.
for the walking. He's all for the walking. Yeah.
It's very easy in today's day and age to lose heart, because there are so many challenges and disappointments which come with life. You know, how do people like you, because I've always said this to Shilpa, not just in this interview, she's one of the most positive people I know, because
So are you.
Yeah, well, it's not that things have always been rosy for you, you know, so how does one not lose heart in a marriage and also in life for both of you?
She has a lovely line she says every time some stressful thing happens. This too shall pass.
Yeah.
And I love it. She's so positive and gives me my pick-me-up.
Yeah, so thank you, Cookie. So I really believe that, you know, in life, whatever happens, don't lose heart.
We've heard something about, you know, you collaborating with Victoria Beckham. Is there any truth to that? Do you want to...
I'm collaborating with the world. There's so many announcements yet to come, thank God. But no, there's some very interesting announcements that I want to make, but I just think that today I don't want to take away from this fantastic initiative, and I will make those when the time is right.
Okay. And Raj, what about you?
I think it's important to, you know, to create jobs and to just keep creating new initiatives and new styles. And new things will keep happening in life. It's important. This is the circle of life.
Okay, and I hope that those new things you inform us about first.
100%.
Yeah, that's what they always
A
say.
big heartful hug.